What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Dallas Cowboy Blue. Let me tell you what sucks. Supercharging in the rain. It's not a good situation. Not a good feeling. Don't mind getting wet, just sucks. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Too bad it ain't like an Omni or some kind of overhead protector over here to, help out with the elements, but it's not. So, it sucks. But yeah, supercharging in the rain. You can't really see that. Try to show you the sunroof because there's enough light, but yeah. It does suck. What y'all think about it? Anybody had any problem with supercharging in the elements yet? Anyways,